Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about Bhag Milkha Singh Bhag movie. Since we all have seen the movie, I'm not going to tell about the movie. So I'll just jump to the takeaways what I have learned from the movie, which we can use in our life. Is first of all is setting the goals, which is one of the major things which you have seen in the movie. How important is it is for our life also. Since we have seen the movie during the movie when he didn't able to qualify during the Melbourne Olympics. He went to his coach and asked him to write it down the time, what was the record for 400 meters, and his coach write it on a tube paper on a paper or a tissue paper, and till the time he didn't broke that record, he kept that paper with him. He always see that record, see that paper, so that I mean he always able to see what was the record, what was his goal. Also, whenever he pray, he write it down something on the next to his Lord, whatever he was praying, and so that every time when he's doing prayer, he can see his goal. This is something which we all should also do. I mean, we have also previously talked about it that. Our goals, we should always write it down somewhere, so that I mean we can see it, keep on reminding us that what is our goal, so it always gives us kind of a kick. Second thing was the visualization. If we all remember during the movie, whenever he used to have a match, I mean, while he was into that position of like sitting down and about to start a race, he always visualized that he's racing into a track, and he always try to make an idea that how much time will it take to complete the race. So. Again, we have done something this in our task also, to how important it is to visualize our goals. So something he also did similarly in the movie. I mean, he always used to visualize his track, his racing before the race was started. So this is also a learning for us. Another thing which was a learning is his dedication and discipline. So when he failed during the Melbourne Olympics, he redefined his goals, and which we all can see his dedication when he does non-stop training when it was raining also. Also, when he loses discipline when he was in Australia, and he was drinking and dancing, and he also get late for the training. But after that day, the level of discipline he showed throughout that his movie, or no, in his actual life, he maintains to help him. It actually helped him to change his physique and get the required kind of the what do you say. Stamina or potential to get closer to that world record. Next would be the focus and the hard work. So we have all seen the focus, how focused he was throughout that tenure. I mean, while he was getting himself ready for the Olympics, and the hard work he has shown. And one is motivation. So we always talk about there has to be something to motivate ourselves, like in the movie also Milka Singh has a motivation while he was in the army. His motivation factor was the 2 glass of milk which he always wanted to have. So just because he wanted to have that glass of milk, he started doing racing and get into that sports quota and thing. And later on that motivation turns into a patriotism also, and which leads him to become the flying safe. So going through all these things, but I have decided to we have my goals. My one of my goal is to get fitter and lose almost 13 kg, and my date would be by the end of this year, uh, by 10th of December. And why I've chosen 10th of December, because I always wanted to celebrate New Year. Not in Delhi. I mean, wanted to have leaves in New Year time, going out somewhere in Goa, maybe Maldives or wherever, but somewhere in beaches. So that is the time I have decided, so that by 10th of December I can be fit, and I can ask for the leaves from Mithun sir. And professional goal which I have what I've visualized, and the emotional connect which I can make it out, like yeah, that was the goal of losing weight, and I visualized myself to be in the beaches with my family during the New Year time. So this is something which I have decided. So if I'll get into that mode, if I lose that much of weight, so I'll definitely go out in New Year time. Second is Second is the professional goal is to I want to have a make my team. I mean that much of passionate and that much of trained in denims, so that I mean if anyone can ask something, they are like so much of more confident about their products that they can speak like anything. So just want to train my team and again keeping my goal uh, by end of November. And I believe my focus would be for the ambience. Basically, that's a very critical store for us and for me as well. Since it is a pop-up store right now, and just to keep the numbers going, I mean, we need to just get all the things right. And again, the date which I've decided by end of November, because things won't be really good in some time. So I'm just taking a realistic target by the EOSS. I just want to get the store on track, and yeah, definitely my this goal is again connected to my other personal goal. If the stores start doing good, I can ask for the leaves during the new year, which is usually difficult being into retail. Thank you.